Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I do is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. I know it's a bit early, but I wanna hit the gym before the screening I go to today. My six reversed. Uh, okay. Mm, Q's, SPY, Dow Jones continuous correction. Yeah, I put it to break even because comes to think of it, that was the point 0.5 for daily trade. For hourly, it's still fine, but on hourly, it didn't. Maybe it'll go down, but doesn't matter. And regardless, I should have waited for correction because like this is too much of volume probably. Uh, that's a test. Probably same here. I'm trying to break even on this put, and this I still hold, but mm, that wouldn't need a test anyway. That would need a test because it was like strong approach after all. I was driven by this volume, but still, it's kind of big, and it can close above today. Yeah, yeah, bounced of this volume is this big volume and went up. I'll be good. Um, a little bit too excited on Friday. Maybe fourth. This thing breaks and changes direction. So it's a daily watch now. It's weird. It looks like it's gonna close above the volume. Regardless, it's also a daily watch. That was okay for today, but look how powerfully it breaks. It's in there right now. I have it. Uh, hard to tell. Mm, Wait. Yeah. Um, it might hold the level, not for long though, I don't think. Yeah, the rest is daily. I think that's all I've got for today. I need to shorten this list for sure. It's a break. And probably it's gonna be the end of the. It's gonna give us a transition exam today, probably. It's interesting. It looks like a test level, but it's before the body of the bar. It's in the tail, so I don't think it's good. Um, yeah, I just worked through this list today. It's legit. It's legit. Meta continues to go down. Why do I have? Oh, it's um, it's actually all three. Resistance on year, resistance on month, resistance on day. Oh, oh, that's all I could produce. Oh, mm. Wow. It's a good exhaustion. It's a good exhaustion. Yeah, resistance, resistance. That would need a close manipulation signal on monthly, but we are not doing investment trade. We are doing a we're doing a quick swing, and for swing trade, it doesn't need a close manipulation signal on daily since we are at the transition extreme. Volume distribution is not long, of course, but this bar is tested. The only untested portion of it is here. And we far, far, far for that. And here it's good. Yeah. Yeah. That might be the trade. Some closes an upthrust, tests it. We see the weakness and then just um but we won't be able to wait for test to complete. Something like this. Short and sweet. Hmm. I think this could work. That's a break on Diageo. Might be the, at least here for here it's the biggest volume. But yeah, it's now on a break and quite a powerful one. Bigger volume on reaction bar. What can I say? This is a break, and this is sign of strength. Supporting bar. I'm changing my terminology, my lingo. Supporting bar and resisting bar instead. Maybe support bar, resistant bar, maybe it's better. I don't know. Processing it. Yeah. This gives us a transition extremum. Mm. Well, yeah, it's a bigger volume on test, so not. Mm. We'll see how it closes, but maybe it's mm, closing the lead of this impulse. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. There's nothing we can do on it. Um, it's a balance, but it's unvolumed manipulation and interaction bar, and it's counter trend. So that's fine. But this was a test. Mm. And it's still in there. It's not exactly what we're looking for here in the resistance zone of the monthly. But yeah, technically speaking, Let's keep an eye on it. We don't have that many stock to follow hourly. And it closed mm, the bar of correction, first bar of correction. So those are like maybe even like this. Volumes, volumes, volumes. So yeah, it reversed and it's down now. Sorry. Apple is at the level, but what the heck? Yeah, it's too high. Um, Too far from 0.5. Did a spring that would need a test for a swing on the minutes. Yeah, also nothing. It's a continuation of the trend. This is way too far from 0.5, like way, 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 way. Um, it's in a balance now. Balance in some form compensates for absence of correction into 0.5. That surely has to be through transition extremum. It's continuation of the trend. Yeah, it's a break. It looks like it's gonna be. Let it happen. Don't run ahead of the train. I've learned something new today. Don't jump ahead of the train is homonym or amonym to catching the falling knives. Catching falling knives. Um, that's weird, but somehow it's good in continuation of the trend. Now, after it breaks, this being the resistance bar. Yeah. Has been resistance bar. It's a big volume, but it's not bigger than this. And it makes sense on daily chart. The whole price action makes sense. Ding. Hmm. That was all right for 5 minutes. But look at this volume build up. Bigger volume and corrections. So it pretty much disqualifies. Pretty much disqualifies. Breaks up. Yeah. And for entire thing, that will be the next stop. It's not actually continuation of the trend. It's in the level. Oh, it went deep. And I think we need to stay within the hourly range for this one, considering how volume is distributed. Oh, it went deep. Just fell. Like in the sign of strength. The resistance bar, aka bar resistance. uh, yeah. So NTP. Yeah, I'm not even watching it. Nah. Yeah. So I think I didn't take this one, and it was like a little bit too scary. But this was the volume that would indicate the reversal. You know, this thing fell down like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, it's just too deep now. Um, that's an interesting move. Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learning